Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your makeup brush. You're going to take some soap into your hand, have a little bit of water running, and just clean it off your hand. The color will come off. You'll see it kind of turning brown. Last color I used was brown, if you can see in my other tutorial on the bronzer thing. So you can see it's turning brown. So I'm kind of scrape everything off. Kind of pull this up. Just put it down first. I'll wipe it off my hand. And with the soap in my hand, just a little bit of running water and I rub it all off. Under running water. The color is just coming off really nicely. I'm going to put it back into its regular shape. Like this, and place it flat. Thank you for watching. Bye.